The honors program is valuable on many fronts for students. It is a way for fourth-year students to get hands-on experience in a laboratory, working side by side with one of their professors. It's a really important opportunity for students to get immersed in the whole research endeavor. My name is Julian Lum, and I am the honors advisor in the department. I think some of the core skills that students learn is how to be analytical and how to synthesize a new question from data that they've obtained. And I think that's really how science evolves. And I think one of the things that our department brings into the program is, because of the breadth of science that we have, students get exposed to some of the most cutting-edge technologies, and they get hands-on experiences with those technologies, which may not be available to them at some other institutions.